2013 Museum Collection Case 5, Box 10, 10:57 Eastern Standard Time. Almost right on time. S. Rudnick. E. Rudnicky. Loop getting them top draft picks. There you go. He's so due. It's unbelievable. There's Diesel 34. Mikey D. Matty G. Frankie. NS Slokey. Yep. Play Win Niner. Good to see him. All right. Yeah. One fell swoop there, huh? You know what? I've been trying to, but I've been. Is that the UPS guy for real? No, it can't be. Actually, it could be. Yes, trying to get some sleep. It's tough though. We've been cracking boxes like crazy ever since we've been back. Here's Tannehill, Dobson. Ooh, get your Tavon on. 29 out of 69. Going to St. Louis. Look at Dark Knight, 831. There he is. Little Tavon. He goes, yes. Very nice hit, man. There's Russ, 9 out of 99. And Peyton. And the first hit was a good one, my man. Nice Tavon. All right, let's get Loop one. Let's look at anybody one here. How about that? Stedman Bailey, Keenan Allen, Johnny Franklin, Stanklin actually, 14 out of 50. Going to GB, Mike D. There you go. Maurice Drew, Sammy Bradford. So we're running out of boxes in Museum Collection. Luckily, we have a full case of Valor to go after this. Andre Reed, DeMarcus Ware, and Josephine Randall. There you go, Lou. See, it's just we gotta. You know what? We just gotta get you on the board at some point. So we got you on the board once. We'll get you on the board again. Slowly but surely. 60 out of 130. Nice on-card auto. Monty Ball and Vance McDonald. DK, I love it. Ant, T. Rich, Gino, which Gino probably just lost his starting position to. Michael Vick, and oh my gosh, Ryan the Sib, why don't you get on my face, dude, and quit getting in here. 25 out of 25. Going to those Giants. Dark Knight went 2 for 2. Dark Knight, you're crazy, dude. You're crazy. Then an AP, 57 out of 99. And Terrence Williams, so the Dark Knight swinging in. We're having some of that good stuff. That was box number 10. We got